Welcome everyone, I'm your host xubit. In this series I will show you how to make a Minecraft animation. So for this video I will show you how to import your Minecraft world into Blender. So let's get the video started. To start with, we need to download some stuff, either Mineways or GMC to OBJ. For Mineways, just right click on this zip file, 7zip and extract file here. So then open mineways.exe. After that, file and open Word. Choose the word that you want to import into Blender. Then with right click, box select the area that you want to import. Click yes. After that, put the depth at maximum and the height at minimum. After that, press Ctrl R. Put where you want it to be. So it's gonna be on my desktop. I'll make a new file and name it tutorial. And yep, I will name the OBJ file as 1 and click OK. So for this setting, they should be the same. Only deselect the create block faces at the board. I will show you why after a bit. So okay. So this is for Mineways, but for GMC to OBJ, just open the jar file, wait a bit. So here we go. After that, click this arrow, choose your word, click load on it, but this time with right click, choose the word that you want to import. Click export and export again. So that's for GMC to OBJ. After exporting the word, open Blender. For this tutorial I'm using the Blender 2.81, but this method works for almost every version of Blender. So after that, click General, press it, play AX to delete everything, press N to open this tab, mcprep, and if you are using GM to OBJ, click this, for Mineways click this, then OBJ world import. Go where you put your OBJ file and it will load. This may take a minute as it takes seconds according to your computer and your word size. So the word is important. So what we should do, because it's all blank, so we don't select anything and go to prep materials. If you're using cycle, click this optimize for cycle. If you don't use cycle, just leave it like this and click OK. As you see, the word is texture. So bonus step for this video, or before bonus step, I'll tell you why I deselect create border face. As you see, the border is like transparent. There's no blocks in the borders, and this will reduce like the triangle's number and will increase performance. So to optimize the word, you can use a lot of stuff. So let's go here. So we have this leaves and grass and stuff. So you can select them, go into the outline and hide them, like by clicking the I, not by H or other stuff. This will hide them from the viewport, but they will stay in the rendering. Also, if you are using only the surface, you can just delete these underground places like tunnels and other structures by selecting their materials and clicking tab. It will go to edit mode and delete them. So I won't do it because I don't need that. So, and bonus step, how to make a sky. You can use that create sky by MC sky and click OK. So you will see nothing. So go to shading and wait a second. Okay, you're seeing nothing. How to fix it? You go here, like this arrow, and click scene light and scene world. Okay, this is your Minecraft sky. Everything's perfect. You can change the time from here. It's kind of little bit laggy, but yep. Oh, so that's all for this video. See you next time. Oh, by the way, if you don't have this mcprep here, just go to you need to download the mcprep. So by going like in edit, the link will be in the description too. Go to preferences, go to add-ons, click install, go to where you put the mcprep.zip file. Don't unzip it, just leave it like that, and click install add-on. After that, search for mcprep and activate it by ticking this. So that's all guys, see you next time on a brand new video. I'm your XP Blade, so stay safe and stay tuned.